Hi guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex 1 Minute Strategy book, and this is our first official lesson under Experienced Traders Arena, and it's based on pending orders. This is the mobile version of the lesson. Now, allow me to open MetaTrader app. As we are all experienced, we know how this app works. Now, I'm simply going to be showing you a thing or two about pending orders. Now, allow me to let the app load fully. Yes, now it's on, and I'm gonna be opening my demo account, as I won't afford to use a real account for setting pending orders. As I'm logging in my demo, there's a trade opened. It doesn't matter. This is how it happens. Now, provided there's an event you wanna trade, and then you wanna set pending orders, you simply open your chart, new order. As you can see, we've got instant execution right here. What you need to know is that pending orders have four types. We have buy stop, we have sell stop, we have buy limit, we have sell limit. Mara, in our case, we'll be dealing with buy stop and sell stop only. Now let me select the buy stop order. As you can see, our price, it's 0. The red line, stop loss 0. Take profit as well 0. Expiration GTC. Now I want you to be aware that before you can actually set a pending order, you need to determine the average, the moving market price, the average moving market price. Now, how do you determine that? As you can see under price, I've got a minus sign on my left and then a plus sign on my right. I just press any of those. As I pressed, as you can see, this is the current situation, the moving market price. Now, provided you need to add 200 pips from the moving market price in order to determine your entry level for the buy stop, you simply add 200 from the last three digits of your price. In our case, it's 419. We add 200, which is gonna be 6. As you can see, it's 619. This is our entry level for buy stop. Now, another step which you need to follow, it's when it comes to setting your stop loss. You need to minus the 100 pips from your entry level and not market price. By market price, I mean the moving average, the current situation. You don't need to minus from that. You need to minus from your entry level, of which I determined our entry level right here. So it means minusing 100 from the entry level is going to be 519. That's our stop loss. Now, take profit. We are going to do it like this. Take profit, we add 200 from the entry level and not the market price or moving average. Now, everything we do from this point onwards, we add it from the entry level. Now, I'm going to add 200 from the entry level, which is going to make it 819. Now, this is how I set my buy stop order. Now, every entry is valid. That's why the place button is available. Now, expiration, as you can see, it's GTC. You need to specify at what time do you want your orders to expire, provided what you're targeting does not work out. As you can see, let's assume that the event is at 10 to 12, which is 23:50. You need to set an expiry of 1 minute after the event time, which is gonna be 23:51. Then after, press OK. As you can see, my place button is still available, meaning that my points are actually valid. Now I'm simply going to click place. I'm simply going to click place. As you can see, order is open. Now this is what we call a pending order right here. It's waiting for the market to reach the point where I said, and then on the graph, it's going to be it's gonna show a line. I'm trying to look for the line. Let me open Euro USD. I want to show you the line. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it happens. I hope you can see the green line. The green line is where it's a point whereby if the market goes up, it's gonna open our trades. The red line below the green line, it's our stop loss. It will not be affected until the market reaches the green line. Same thing happens to the line, the red line above the green line, which is take profit. It will not take profit without reaching the green line first. The green line is our key point, our entry level. Now that's how we set a buy stop order. Now let's quickly set a sell stop order as well. A sell stop order as well. A sell stop. Now remember, the sell stop, it's actually the opposite of buy stop. As you can see, everything it's 000. We first need to determine the moving market price, the current situation. You press the plus symbol. As you can see, it's 419. I'm referring to the last 3 digits, by the way. 419. Now, when it comes to sell stop order, since it's the opposite, it means in this case, we minus. Remember, buy stop, we added. Right here, we minus. We minus from we minus 200 from the moving market price. Now, I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to change the 4 to 2. There we go. We minus 200 just like that. As you can see, this is a valid entry point. That's why the place button is available. Now, when it comes to stop loss for sell stop order, instead of minusing from the entry level, you add on top of the entry level. Now we need to add 100, assuming we are setting 100. We need to add 100 from the entry level, which is gonna be 319. As you can see, it's still valid. Whenever the place button is not gray in color, it means you're on point. But once it doesn't show the black color, actually it means there's something you're doing wrong. Now our take profit, it's going to be minused from our entry level, because in the buy stop it's being added. Now right here it's being minused because the sell stop order is the opposite of buy stop order. Now I'm simply going to minus 200 from the entry level, which is 1.05219. We are going to have something like this, 1.05019. Yeah. Now this is our sell stop order. We are almost done. Now same thing happens when it comes to expiry. Assuming the event is at 2350, we need to make it 2351. Now if whatever we are targeting does not happen in the first minute, our orders will expire. Now as you can see, my points are valid. I'm gonna click place. Great. Now as you can see, I have sell stop order, I have buy stop order. Now I do not, the reason why we need to set pending orders is because we cannot afford to move with the market. Sometimes the market moves faster than us, as we are humans and not robots. Now these are just automatic, this is just an automatic way of opening trades and closing them, provided you set a valid stop loss or take profit. This is how we actually set our pending orders. I hope this was very clear. When it comes to these lines, as you can see, our entry level for sell stop, it's just below the last green line. Once the market reaches this point, if it goes down, it will open the trade, and then above that green line we have a red one. This one, it's our stop loss. Remember, buy stop, it's the opposite of sell stop. Now we should have another red line. Here it is, the red line below, at the bottom, actually just below the green line of sell stop, it's our take profit. So if you get to understand how the buy stop order works, then you will automatically understand the sell stop order, because what you do on the buy stop order, it's actually the opposite of the sell stop order. Now I hope this was very fruitful. Remember, pending orders are very complicated, but they are quite simple. They just need you to practice, because most of the traders who studied chapter 7, they try practicing on their own but still fail. So I hope this video will be very helpful. Remember, If there's anything you do not understand, just privately touch me and then I will assist you. I'll make a video specially for you, or I will try to find an alternative which best suits both of us. Now, allow me to finish, as setting pending orders on the mobile version it's actually fast and more simple than sitting on the computer for some traders, but for me it's actually the same. Now I hope you all understand how pending orders work. In short, if you're an experienced trader, then you should have seen a pending order by now. Remember, we're dealing with buy stop and sell stop. As for sell limit and buy limit, we are not touching those anytime soon. I want to take this moment, guys, and thank you for your time. Hi guys, coach speaking here, and today I will be handling our third lesson under beginners arena. Now we are going to be dealing with forex concepts. In short, the main concepts we will be using whenever we are trading, since we have to use the forex language. Now allow me to open my MetaTrader app. Now as you can see, this is my account right here. I want you to look at something. Under Euro USD, we have what we call bid, and then we have what we call ask. Bid, it's on your left, ask, it's on your right. Now the bid price, it's what you get when you buy, and this ask price, it's what you get when you sell. And then we have spread right under Euro USD. Now the main duty of the spread, it's actually the difference between the bid and ask, by the way. Now the main duty of the spread, it's an income for the broker. They charge you a spread in a way. They put spread on the bid and ask. They stretch them so that they can be a difference, and then we call that difference the spread. It's their income in a way. They change the information which comes from the interbank. By the way, when the information is released from the interbank, in most cases, in fact, the bid and the ask are the same. Now what the brokers do is to change or edit the information a bit so that they can be spread, and then they earn income as well. I'll be showing you guys what we call pips again. Now we don't count our profits in anything else other than pips. Mostly we deal with 100 pips when counting profits, because it makes much more sense. Now as you can see, our bid and ask are there. The gray line is our bid, the red line is our ask. Now the pips normally it's the last digits after the comma. As you can see right here, we have 1, then there's a comma or full stop in another way. Now in most cases we deal with the last 3 digits after the comma, and then right now it's rotating around. For the ask price it's 782, for the bid ask, for the bid price it's 765, going to 7069, rotating. Now that's what we call our this is what we call our pips. Now if I want you to target 200 pips, it means you're going to add 200. Let's assume that you opened a sell order or a sell trade. You're going to be using your ask price, which is the red one. If I ask you to add 100 pips on top of it as your take profit or stop loss in a way, now what you're going to be doing, you're going to be adding that to the last 3 digits, which is 770, rotating. That's how we find out about our pips. Remember, pips, since they count our profit, they are not working alone. They work with what we call lot size in order to have a stable value. Let's assume that we are using lot size 1 and we are targeting 100 pips as our profit. Now this simply means that we are going to get $100 if we are using dollars as our profit. That's how it works. If you are using a lot size 0.50 per